بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبح لله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth glorifies Allah, and only He is the most honorable, the wise.
هو الذي أخرج الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب من ديارهم لأول الحشر ما ظننتم أن يخرجوا وظنوا أنهم مانعتهم حصونهم من الله فأتاهم الله من حيث لم يحتسبوا وقذف في قلوبهم الرعب يخربون بيوتهم بأيديهم وأيدي المؤمنين فاعتبروا يا أولي الأبصار.
It is He who banished the disbelieving people of the book, i.e., the Jews from their homes, for their first gathering, i.e., first banishment. You did not think that they would leave, and they thought that their forts would save them from Allah. So Allah's command, i.e., punishment came to them from a place they had not imagined, and He instilled terror in their hearts that they started to demolish their own homes by their own hands and also by the hands of the Muslims. Therefore, learn a lesson, O those who can see.
ولولا أن كتب الله عليهم الجلاء لعذبهم في الدنيا ولهم في الآخرة عذاب النار.
And had Allah not decreed banishment for them, so He would have definitely punished them in this world, and for them in the hereafter is the punishment of the fire.
ذلك بأنهم شاقوا الله ورسوله ومن يشاق الله فإن الله شديد العقاب.
This punishment is because they remained alienated from Allah and His Messenger, and whoever remains alienated from Allah and His Messenger, so Allah's punishment is indeed severe.
ما قطعتم من لينة أو تركتموها قائمة على أصولها فبإذن الله وليخزي الفاسقين.
The date trees of the Jews you had cut down or left them standing on their roots, this was all by Allah's permission and in order to disgrace the transgressors.
وما أفاء الله على رسوله منهم فما أوجفتم عليه من خيل ولا ركاب ولكن الله يسلط رسله على من يشاء والله على كل شيء قدير.
And the spoils of war which Allah caused to be given to His Messenger, taking from them, i.e., the Jews, so you had not made your horses or camels race against them. Yes, Allah gives in the control of His messengers, whomsoever He wills, and Allah is able to do everything.
ما أفاء الله على رسوله من أهل القرى فلله وللرسول ولذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وابن السبيل كي لا يكون دولة بين الأغنياء منكم وما آتاكم الرسول فخذوه وما نهاكم عنه فانتهوا واتقوا الله إن الله شديد العقاب.
The spoils of war which Allah caused to be given to His messenger from the people of a town, it is for Allah and His messenger and the relatives and the orphans and the needy and the travelers, in order that it may not merely become the wealth of the rich amongst you. And whatever the messenger grants you, take that and keep refraining from whatever he forbids, and fear Allah. Indeed, Allah's punishment is severe.
للفقراء المهاجرين الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم وأموالهم يبتغون فضلا من الله ورضوانا وينصرون الله ورسوله أولئك هم الصادقون.
And also for the poor immigrants who were banished from their homes and their wealth while seeking Allah's benevolence and His contentment and helping the religion of Allah and His messenger, only they are the truthful.
والذين تبوأوا الدار والإيمان من قبلهم يحبون من هاجر إليهم ولا يجدون في صدورهم حاجة مما أوتوا ويؤثرون على أنفسهم ولو كان بهم خصاصة ومن يوق شح نفسه فأولئك هم المفلحون.
And those, i.e., the Ansar who made homes in the city of Medina and in faith, i.e., became Muslims before they befriend those who immigrated towards them, and in their hearts do not find any need of what they, the immigrants, have been given, and they prefer those above themselves, even if they themselves are in dire need. And whosoever is saved from the greed of his own self, so it is only they who are the successful.
والذين جاءوا من بعدهم يقولون ربنا اغفر لنا ولإخواننا الذين سبقونا بالإيمان ولا تجعل في قلوبنا غلا للذين آمنوا ربنا إنك رؤوف رحيم.
And those who came after them submit, O our Lord, forgive us and our brothers who accepted faith before us, and place not any malice in our hearts towards the believers. O our Lord, only you are indeed most compassionate, most merciful.
ألم تر إلى الذين نافقوا يقولون لإخوانهم الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب لئن أخرجتم لنخرجن معكم ولا نطيع فيكم أحدا أبدا وإن قوتلتم لننصرنكم والله يشهد إنهم لكاذبون.
Did you not see the hypocrites, that they say to their brothers amongst the disbelieving people of the book, that if you are banished from Medina, so we will definitely leave with you, and we will never listen to anyone with regards to you. And if you are attacked, so we will surely help you, and Allah is witness that they are liars.
لئن أخرجوا لا يخرجون معهم ولئن قوتلوا لا ينصرونهم ولئن نصروهم ليولن الأدبار ثم لا ينصرون.
If they are banished, so these, i.e., the hypocrites, will not leave with them. And if they are attacked, so they will not help them. And even if they were to help them, so they would definitely turn their backs to flee, and then they will not be helped.
لأنتم أشد رهبة في صدورهم من الله ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يفقهون.
Indeed, O Muslims, they have greater fear from you in their hearts than of Allah. This is because they are a people who do not understand.
لا يقاتلونكم جميعا إلا في قرى محصنة أو من وراء جدر بأسهم بينهم شديد تحسبهم جميعا وقلوبهم شتى ذلك بأنهم قوم لا يعقلون.
They will not fight you even if they all get together, except in barricaded cities or from behind the walls. Their fighting amongst themselves is violent. You may think of them to be one body, whereas their hearts are divided. This is because they are a people who have no sense.
كمثل الذين من قبلهم قريبا ذاقوا وبال أمرهم ولهم عذاب أليم.
Like the example of those, i.e., the polytheists who were before them not long ago, they tasted the evil result of their deeds, and for them is a painful punishment.
كمثل الشيطان إذ قال للإنسان اكفر فلما كفر قال إني بريء منك إني أخاف الله رب العالمين.
Like the example of the devil when he said to man, disbelieve. So, when he had disbelieved, he said, I am separated from you. Indeed, I fear Allah, who is the Lord of all the worlds.
فكان عاقبتهما أنهما في النار خالدين فيها وذلك جزاء الظالمين.
So, this became the end of both of them, that they both are to remain in the fire forever, and this is the punishment for the transgressors.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله ولتنظر نفس ما قدمت لغد واتقوا الله إن الله خبير بما تعملون.
O believers, fear Allah, and every soul must see what it has sent ahead for tomorrow, i.e., the day of judgment, and fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is aware of your deeds.
ولا تكونوا كالذين نسوا الله فأنساهم أنفسهم أولئك هم الفاسقون.
And do not be like those who have forgotten Allah. He henceforth put them into adversity, that they did not even remember their own selves. Only they are the sinners.
لا يستوي أصحاب النار وأصحاب الجنة أصحاب الجنة هم الفائزون.
The people of hell, i.e., the disbelievers, and the people of paradise, i.e., the believers, are not equal. Only the people of paradise are successful.
لو أنزلنا هذا القرآن على جبل لرأيته خاشعا متصدعا من خشية الله وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون.
If we had sent down this Quran upon any mountain, so you would have definitely seen it bowed down, shredded into bits and pieces, out of fear of Allah. And we explain these examples to people that they may ponder.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم.
Only He is Allah, besides whom there is no one worthy of worship, the knower of every unseen and seen. Only He is the most gracious, the most merciful.
هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون.
Only He is Allah, besides whom there is no one worthy of worship, the King, the most pure, the provider of peace, the bestower of refuge, the protector, the most honorable, the superb, the possessor of every distinction. Purity is to Allah from what they associate as partners to Him.
هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Only He is Allah, the Maker, the Creator, the giver of shape to everyone. All good names are belonging to only Him. Whatever is in the heavens and in the earth proclaims His purity, and only He is the most honorable, the most wise.
صدق الله العظيم.